Jammers. Today I'm doing a maze portal, and it's just a trick. Calling maze portal. Okay, so everyone's here. Everyone start now. You can team up if you want. So yeah. I'm gonna show you my bun bun. Just wait for a sec. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. This is how the portal works. Just go in here, then it's loading. It keeps going and going over again. So yeah, just like that. Keeps it going and going again. Marbleman 2, as you can see, my other user, and here's Marbleman 4. So that's how it works. If there's no finish line, I just try to do my username again, like that, when it's time. So you can make this kind of den too. So yeah, you can enjoy this den or make more usernames, or you can make even loads of more portals. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, and you can make also this kind of den portal. So I'll see you all next time.